Next is the future of generative AI. These are my predictions and my guesses. So take it with a grain of salt. These are just ideas based on the trends that I am seeing. So the future of AI. First, orchestrators. Soon, users won't need to choose between different AI models. Whether you are using ChatGPT or Gemini or Perplexity or something else, your query will be routed to the best model in the background. So company like Perplexity, you will ask the question, it will know, okay, you're asking a legal question, so it will go call a model specialized in the legal question that you are answering, and it will answer you. So no need to decide which model to use. Second thing is large language model will be the operating systems. So like ChatGPT and Gemini, they will become the operating systems. They will become our personal assistants. We will just tell them, book me an Uber or book me an hotel in Barcelona for 5 days. And the Gen AI will decide whether to use booking.com or Expedia or book directly on the hotel website. It will handle everything for us. And this will lead to the third change, which will be new business models will emerge. Platforms like booking.com or Expedia will need to pay to be called by the Gen AI models. There will be bidding in the background, and whoever pays more will be called, and whoever doesn't pay will not be called. And this is how the foundation models and OpenAI and Google, Gemini, Alphabet, they will do a lot of money. The fourth change is smarter interfaces. Today, the interfaces are just chat boxes. In the future, we will have dashboards, smart layouts, dynamic interface. The interface will change based on your use case or what you want. Soon, you will be able to set personal plans, professional goals, and you'll be able to track progress on these goals in a dashboard on those foundation models. You can monitor your health, you can manage any goal you want, whether professionally or personally. Fourth, we will have new devices and wearables. OpenAI and others are already reinventing the devices. And it won't be one device. I think it will be a combination. You will need a phone-like device because users need a screen to see videos, need a camera. We will have a wearable pin, something to maybe with a camera and a mic. Maybe we'll have some smart glasses. We will have earphones. We can have rings. We can have watches. And all of those will be seamlessly connected, speaking to each other so it can understand our context and our environment. I was watching a video recently for the head of product at OpenAI, and I saw him, this guy, he was wearing multiple wearables. He was wearing an Oura ring, he was wearing an Apple Watch, and he was wearing another kind of watch also a wearable. So looks like they are testing everything to decide what goes into their future AI device. The fifth trend is the AI will be proactive. Today AI is just reactive. You ask, it answers. Soon it will be proactive. It will say, good morning, you didn't sleep well last night. Shall I reschedule your morning workout? It will anticipate your need before you even ask it. The sixth prediction is everything will be controlled by our natural language. No need to go to the settings on your phone to make some changes. You will just tell your phone, increase the brightness, turn on Bluetooth, and it will be done like this. Same at work. Most probably at work, we will be speaking to the agents, to the AI agents, giving them orders, giving them guardrails, giving them boundaries, and working with them, iterating with them to improve their quality and their work, and to help the AI agents achieve their work. Which take us to the seventh trend. We will have multi-agent workflows, and we will have org restructuring. So agents, AI agents, will be more capable, and they will be able to work for hours or days to achieve one single task. So personally, you can say, I want to eat healthy. And then your AI agent will send you healthy recipes. It will order for you food based on your calories and adapt it if you worked out that day. If you play some sports that day, it will adapt it. At work, humans will also manage cluster of AI agents. So not just managing team of people. You will manage cluster of AI agents. Functions will merge. Companies will become more agile and more productive. The eighth trend is, I think sales and marketing will have big change. AI will change how we sell. Instead of pitching a service, saying, okay, I can offer you this, maybe your agent, AI agent now, can build a small demo. So you can send to your client and say, here is a small version of what I have already built for you. Do you want me to expand it? That's a much stronger pitch than a traditional sales pitch. 9 trend is memory portability. Foundation models today, ChatGPT, remember a lot of things about us. ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, they have memory. And in the future, we should be able to export this memory from those models and import it to another one. And if the platforms don't allow this because they want to keep the users locked into their platforms, I think it's a big opportunity for future startups. I think the 10th trend is cost efficiency. The cost per word, the cost per intelligence is dropping fast. And at the same time, the model intelligence is rising. So we are getting double the benefit, lower cost and higher performance. And this is very crucial for companies because for companies, when you use an API, you pay. This cost will get reduced dramatically, very quickly. 11th trend is robots will be everywhere. Self-driving cars will be the most common of robot of all, I think, will be everywhere. Humanoid robots will be everywhere. You'll have task-specific robots at home, at the office, at factories, in the warehouses, in public spaces. So every place will have its robot that is adapted to its use case. Final thought, I am optimistic. There are a lot of risks of isolation, risks of income inequality, risk of unemployment. But I think we have seen this before in the Industrial Revolution, in the Internet Revolution, in the Mobile Revolution. And each time humans have adapted and life have improved. So if we stay aware, I am hopeful that we can manage those risks and we can make the AI revolution a source of a better, happier, and hopefully a higher quality living for all.